Everyone, today we are going to solve a few questions based on the chapter algebraic expression. Yesterday I gave you the introduction about this chapter. I hope you have seen it in the last video. And today we will be solving a few more questions related to this chapter. So let's start with the first question. First question is add 6 minus 3a plus b, comma, a minus 7 minus 6b and 3b plus 2 minus a. Here first you put them in brackets as I have done. Bracket 6 minus 3a plus b, close the bracket. In place of comma we put the plus sign as we are doing the addition. A minus 7 minus 6b, close the bracket. In place of and we have used the plus sign as we are doing the addition. 3b plus 2 minus a. And I will like to tell you an important note that if outside the bracket there is plus sign, and whenever you are going to remove the bracket, whatever signs are there inside the bracket before the number, the same sign will come down. As I have done, you can see 6 minus 3a plus b, a plus a minus 7 minus 6b plus 3b plus 2 minus a. You can see all the signs remain same, whichever were there inside the bracket, the same has come down. So after that, as I am doing it further, after removing from the bracket, you have to arrange the constant terms one side and the variable terms one side. I will be using the word alphabet. It is not the correct word, but to make you understand, I will be using the word alphabet. Okay. So the numbers, the terms with alphabets or the like terms should be kept one side, and the constant terms should be kept one side. As I have done, you can see 6 minus 7 plus 2 minus 3a plus a minus a plus b minus 6b plus 3b. You can see all the like terms are kept one side, all the constant terms are kept one side. Now addition 6 plus 2 minus 7 plus a minus 3a minus a plus b plus 3b plus minus 6b. 6 plus 2 8 minus 7 plus a. And one more thing I would like to tell you, whenever there is, you have to add two numbers, add or subtract two numbers, and there is same sign before both the numbers, and there is no multiplication or division sign between them, just put the sign first and add both. Like 3a plus a gives 4a, we have added both. Same thing has to be done here also. Plus b plus 3b. Here also you can see that both the numbers have same sign, just put the sign plus and add them. 3 plus 1 gives 4b minus 6b. And proceeding further, 8 minus 7 gives 1 minus, here you can see there are opposite signs. Here there is minus sign, here is the plus sign. So whatever sign is there before the bigger number, greater number, you can see before 4a is what, minus sign, put the sign and minus the greater number minus the smaller one. Therefore 4a minus a gives 3a. Same thing I have done here also. There is opposite sign, you can see minus 6b and plus 4b. So just put the sign before the greater number. What is the greater sign before the greater number? Minus. So I put the minus sign and subtracted. 6b minus 4b gives minus 2b. Okay. Now the second question is subtract 12x minus 3y minus z from the from the sum of 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 and 6x minus 7z minus 8. First, you have to find the sum of 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 and 6x minus 7z minus 8. As I told you, first keep them in brackets, put them in brackets. I put them in brackets. In one bracket, I have kept 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 plus sign, and in another bracket 6x minus 7z minus 8. As I told you, if there is plus sign before the bracket, whenever you are going to remove the bracket, the numbers with the same sign will come down. You can see I have done the same. 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 plus 6x minus 7z minus 8. Now as I told you, have to arrange the like terms one side and the constant term one side. You can see I have done the same here. 7x plus 6x plus 4y minus 5z minus 7z plus 5 minus 8. Here you can see y is left alone, so it will be alone. As I told you, if there are same sign, if the two numbers or the two like terms have same sign and there is no multiplication or division sign in between, just put the sign and add them. I have the plus sign. If you want, you can put. If you don't want, you can don't put. No marks will be cut. I have not put, but here it is plus sign. Plus 7 plus 6, that is 13, and x comes down. Plus 4y, it is alone, it comes down. Here as I told you, here you can see before 5z it is minus sign, before 7 it is minus sign. So same signs are there. Just put the sign and add them. 7 plus 5 gives 12z. And as I told you there also, here you can see there are different opposite signs. Plus 5 minus 8. Here you have to see the sign before the greater number is minus, and you have to put that sign and the greater number minus the smaller number, and then value comes. This is the sum. Now second part you have to find subtract 12x plus 3y minus z from 13x plus 4y minus 12z minus 3. And as I told, you have to put them in brackets. As I have put them in brackets, you can see, and subtraction means you have to put the minus sign. Now as I would like to tell you that if there is minus sign before the bracket, okay, and when you are going to remove the bracket, the opposite signs will come down. As you can see here, the same sign comes down, 13x plus 4y minus 12z minus 13, but you can see before the bracket there is minus sign, so the opposite signs comes down. Plus 12x becomes minus 12x, plus 3y becomes minus 3y, and minus z becomes plus z. It is an easy way. After that, as I told you, have to keep the like terms one side and the constant term one side. I have done the same. You can see 13x minus 12x plus 4y minus 3y plus z minus 12z minus 3. As I told you before, that if there is opposite signs, here you can see plus 13x and minus 12x, put the sign before the greater number. I put the sign that is plus, and minus the greater number minus the smaller one, that is 1x. Same way, 4y minus 3y gives y, 12z minus z gives minus 11z minus 3. You would now, I think so, you would have come to know how this minus 11z comes here. Okay, minus 3. This is the answer. Third and the last question of today's class. So the question is, if a is equal to 3x minus 5y, b is equal to 6x plus 3y, and c is equal to 2y minus 4x, find 2a minus 3b plus 4c. You know, 2a means 2 into a, minus 3b means minus 3 into b, plus 4c means plus 4 into c. Now 2 into a, 2 bracket, we have put the value of a, that is 3x minus 5y, minus 3 we have put the value of b, that is 6x plus 3y, 6x plus 3y in brackets, plus 4 into value of c, 2y minus 4x by putting the value. Now here you can see 6x minus 10y, because I would like to tell you an important, first I would like to tell you an important rule. When you are multiplying two numbers and both the numbers are having same sign, the result will come in plus, and when the two numbers have different sign, the result will come in minus. Here you can see before it is plus sign, here you can see it is plus sign, so the result will come in plus because same sign. 2 into 3 gives 6x. Here you can see there is plus sign, here it is minus sign, so there is opposite sign or different sign, so the result will come in minus. Minus 5 into 10y. Same way here also, minus 3 into plus 6, different sign, so minus 18x. Here minus 3 plus 3y, different sign, minus 9y. Same way here also, plus 4 into plus 2y, same sign, so so the answer will come in plus 8y, plus 4 minus 4, different sign, so the answer will be in minus 4 into 4 minus 16x. Same way, we have to put the like terms one side and the constant terms one side. Here you can see there is no constant term, so we have to arrange the like terms. As I have done, you can see 6x minus 18x minus 16x plus 8y minus 10y minus 9y. Now 6x, and here you can see there are two same minus 18x and minus 16x, there are same sign. So as I told you before, put the sign and add both. I put the minus sign and added both. 18 plus 16 gives 34x. It will be done only when both have the same sign and there is no multiplication and division sign in between. Plus 8y comes down, and here also you can see minus 10y and minus 9y both have the same sign and there is no multiplication and division sign in between these two. Therefore put the sign and add both. 10 plus 9 gives 19y. Now 6x minus 34x plus 8y minus 19y. Here you can see there are opposite sign or different sign, plus 6x and minus 34x, and there is no multiplication or division sign in between, so put the sign which is before the greater number, that is minus, and greater number minus the smaller one. 34 minus 6 gives 28x. Same way you can see there are different opposite signs, plus 8y and minus 19y, and there is no multiplication and division sign between these two. Then put the sign which is before the greater number, and greater number minus the smaller one. So 19y minus 8y gives 11y. This is the answer. All the 3 questions which we discussed in today's class should be solved in your class copy with questions, and the homework which will be shared to you should be solved in the homework copy with questions. Thank you, and I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.